Good morning, ma'am. My name is Emerjan M. Kalamba, Bachelor of Science Marine Transportation, Section S3H. I choose this Samsung Galaxy smartphone are important for several reasons as they have become essential tools in modern life. Smartphones are important because they enhance communication, provide access to information, improve productivity and support personal, social, and professional aspects of life in a convenient and portable form. I choose smartphones because everyone can relate how smartphones is important to us. It is very essential to each and everyone. Maybe it's also part of our daily life. Without smartphone we can communicate to our loved ones who is in abroad or far from us. The journey of a smartphone from raw materials to the final sales involves multiple stages, including material extraction, manufacturing, assembly, distribution, and retail. Here's a step-by-step overview of the process. 1. Raw material extraction. Smartphones are made from a variety of materials that need to be extracted and refined before production. Key raw materials include metals. These include rare earth elements like lithium used in batteries, cobalt, nickel, and gold for internal circuitry, as well as copper and aluminum used in our wiring and casing. Plastic derived from petroleum plastic are used in the phone's casing, buttons, and other non-metallic parts. Glass and ceramic used for the smartphone screen. Many devices feature materials like Gorilla Glass for durability. Materials are mined from different regions of the world. Cobalt is sourced mainly from the Democratic Republic of Congo. Lithium is often mined in Australia, Chile, and Argentina. Silicon used in semiconductors is abundant and sourced globally. 2. Material processing. After extraction, the raw materials are transported to process facilities. Metal are refined and purified to meet the required standard. Silicon is transformed into wafers, which are the basis for chips and processors. Plastic is manufactured and formed into the necessary component. 3. Component manufacturing. The next step is the production of individual smartphone component, which occurs in specialized facilities, semiconductors, and processors. Companies like Qualcomm, Samsung, and MediaTek produce chipsets that form the brain of the smartphone. Display, screen, OLED, AMOLED, or LCD are manufactured by companies like Samsung, LG, and BOE. Materials typical lithium ion batteries produced by companies such as LG, Kim, and Panasonic. Cameras, multiple lens system and sensor are produced with manufacturers like Sony and Samsung leading in camera sensors. 4. Assembly. Once the components are manufactured, they are sent to assembly factories. Most smartphones are assembled in facilities located in China by companies like Foxconn, Pegatron, Vietnam, and India. At this stage, components like the display, battery, motherboard, camera modules, and casing are assembled into the final product. Quality control. Tests are conducted to ensure the device meets information and safety standard. 5. Software integration. While hardware assembly is taking place, the smartphone's software operating systems like Android or iOS is also loaded onto the device. This includes pre-installed apps, firmware updates, optimization for the specific model, and regional settings. 6. Packaging. Once the phones pass all quality check, they are packaged for shipping. Packaging typically includes phone unit, charging cable and adapters, earbuds option in some models. 7. Distributions and logistics.